great challenge. Welcome back to my channel and a month of FlyLady decluttering and cleaning. We are in zone 3. Zone 3 is the second floor for me, except that today I'm doing the staircase that leads to the first floor. Why? Because it's too much to add to the living room, which is zone 5. So I'm gonna do that today. And it won't take too long, just like the previous video. Hey, how was Valentine's Day, by the way? Yes, it's Wednesday for me. I am off today. I took a day off. I got stuff to do and took a day off. The kids are in school. Scott is over there working. So what am I doing today in the staircase? I have to do the banister. I have to do all of the posts because there's fingerprints all over. I got to do the walls. I got to do the woodwork. I have to do the frames, and I really want to give the staircase a good scrub. I mop this area behind me, the landing, fairly often, pretty much every week. However, the staircase, I think that it really needs a good spruce up. So I'm probably gonna scrub it and then put some rejuvenate on it. So we're dusting, we're cleaning, we're scrubbing, we're sprucing things up, and that would be it for this video. I'll see you in a bit. Press. Sophia is going to show dirt in her house. Oh, look, I have some dirt right here. Oh, I'm so disgusting. Oh, she doesn't maintain the house. Oh, Sophia doesn't do the FlyLady properly because she's got dog hair all lodged up right there in the banister. Look at this. Look, there's a coffee drip right here. How did coffee get there? I don't know, but we're gonna clean it. And at least I'm doing something. What are you guys doing today? Are you cleaning, or are you on YouTube watching videos, or on Facebook or on Instagram? Stop wasting your time. Get up and do something. This is the corners, you see? It's clean because I maintain. Yes, I do. It's not the greatest job. There's stains over there that needs to be done. And look, look, look. No. Sophia doesn't maintain a house. Look at all this cracking all over the place. Yeah. Oh, now the house must be shifting. Yeah, that's right. I bought an old house. It's shifting. So now I got cracks everywhere. And look, I have a space in between the thread and the riser. My house must be falling apart. All of the value of the house has disappeared because really I don't do anything in here. Let me look at this. Let's look. Oh no, oh no, no, no. Look, look, look. There is dirt. There's dirt from the outside. How could dirt come from the outside? I don't know. I thought I lived in a bubble and I would be completely protected from all sorts of dirt. Wow. So this was a shout out to all the folks out there who think that I don't do enough. Yeah, please. Okay. I'm gonna do the banister. I have hot soapy water with some Murphy's oil. Gonna remove all the hair that is lodged in between the rails and fingerprints and all of that. And then gonna do all the woodwork in here, and then the mirror and the pictures. You wanna see my kids? I'm going to give you a tour of the pictures. We have my 2 honor roll kids, that's right, 2 of them, playing music. I got the entire set of grandparents here. This is Scott's dad, this is Scott's mom, this is my mom, this is my dad right here, and then we got the weddings, so mom and dad, and this is Scott's parents. And then over here we have fantastic pictures of my kids and me in my better days, and little Willie here. And then over here is that little heart thing that I brought back from France, and it says happiness. Yeah, you remember him as my best friend. And then we have the entire family here. We have my grandma from my dad's side, my grandpa from my dad's side. This is my grandma from my mom's side. This is my grandpa from mom's side. These are Scott's maternal grandparents. These are paternal grandparents. I hope you like the little intro. Sometimes I get a little frustrated with the nitpickers, you know? Get a life. Really? Get a life. We're gonna wash this because this is really dirty. It's so dirty that the rag Doesn't even slide on it. See, look. Look at it. It's so dirty. Okay. We're gonna do this. This I should really do every month. I don't. That's right, because I'm filthy. I don't clean my house all the time. I don't do everything in the house all the time. You see? Yeah. I'm sure you do. You do, right? You do your banister every single month. I bet you sand it and restain it every single year so it looks brand new every time. Okay, here we go. That's done. I'm gonna do these. Now the problem is getting the stuff at the bottom. That's pretty hard. So these I gotta do because the kids, you know how it is. You don't use the banister all the time. Sometimes you use the rails. So there's always fingers there. You know, with food. Yeah, that's right, because kids don't wash hands, right? All the time.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun. But our trails will never run forever.
Okay, we're gonna take care of that coffee stain right here. Yeah, because you see my husband, he brings me coffee every morning. And sometimes coffee splatters.
Something else is on your mind. Like everything that's good in life always comes to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say Gloria, please.
Oh no, look. There's a basket of stuff that's been here and that needs to be sorted out. So I'm gonna do that too, right? But right now I'm still on the banister, so I'm gonna clean this really, really good. It's funny because this one I actually do more often than the other one. Okay.
Don't cry for me, oh, Gloria, please. Don't cry for me, yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too.
Hey, I don't want you to lose sleep over this, okay? But where the basket is, you can tell that I absolutely never do the corner of the banister. So you see we got dirt accumulating here. Oh my God. Yes. Yeah. Is it laziness? I don't know. Maybe I just don't care. Should I care? All right, let's get this clean. It's not easy with one hand, I can tell you that. Oh yeah, look, I got it. Okay.
Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend.
Staircase is done. Well, at least the wall and the trim. Gonna do the Windex on the mirror and the pictures, and I'm gonna do the window, really clean it, and then after that I gotta tackle the stairs. This is a dry rack. Well, this is not a very flattering shot now, is it? Look at me. Yeah, okay. I keep losing weight, so it's gonna get better. This is a dry rag. That's not the same one I did the stairs with. Doing all my frames. Really see my big gut? No. Okay, good. We good. Okay, I'm gonna do the mirror. I think I did the mirror 2 hours ago during the home blessing hour, didn't I? Now we gotta do it again, okay? I like this mirror. Another trash find. It's in perfect condition. I think it's from the 60s. It fits beautifully on top of the stairs. And we like it. Here, you want to see dirt? That's the color of the water from cleaning the banister, the walls, and the baseboards. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, this is the part where you're going to see me backlit doing the woodwork over here. Putting my glasses on so I can admire my color cool. I'm done with that part, so guess what now? I have water with Murphy's oil and a brush, and I'm gonna brush the stairs. Because sometimes the mop, whether I use the steam mop or the other one, I'm still being modest, right? Yeah, not enough. So every stair is going to get scrubbed. And after that, I'll put the rejuvenate.
Daydreaming feels like I'm fading away, and I wonder why no one ever stays.
Have seen me use rejuvenate before. This is a floor restorer. You can use it on wood, you can use it on tiles. It's the best. I don't have to say, it's the best. This is awesome. You gotta shake it. It comes out as a milky type substance. Let's try to not make too much bubble in it. And then you just apply it with a wet, well, no, with a dry rag, but eventually it gets wet. And it coats, it's kind of like Future, you remember Future, or Mop and Glow? Okay, it leaves a very nice shine on the stairs. It protects it as well, but over time, it'll come off, right? So you have to scrub and reapply, but it's beautiful. It makes your stair look brand new. Now, this staircase, believe it or not, used to have the carpet on it, and that was the first thing I did. When we bought the house and we moved here, I removed the carpet. It was one of those cocoa, very thick cocoa carpet, and it was just impossible to keep. You can't wash those. How do you wash them? They're very thick. They all have like sorts of dents and stuff, and so the dirt would get lodged in it. So the bottom part of that carpet was like dark gray, and then it was radiating into its natural color by the time you get to the top. But it was just plain ugly. Okay, so I got rid of it. So let's do rejuvenate. You're gonna see how beautiful that is.
Just run away and leave this world behind us. I wanna run with you, run away. Just buy a ticket and I see you on the next bus. I wanna run with you, run away. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, run with you, run away. Ooh, ooh, ooh. How am I supposed to spend my days when all I wanna do is feel, reaching out for something that is so real. Oh, I'm trying to heal.
And the good thing about it is that it dries in 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you can walk on it, or you can put a second coat and wait another 15 minutes. I really love it. So I'm done with this video. What I'm gonna do now is wait for it to dry. And the staircase is all done. It's all dusted, it's washed. Walls are done, trims are done, window is done, window sill is done. That's enough. Okay. In the next video, I'll do the basket because I have to declutter that. That'll be 15 minutes, and then I'll do the banister. I'll put the rejuvenate on the banister, and then I'll tackle a little bit of the office, not too much. I'll finish the office on Saturday probably, because Scott is working right now in the office and I don't want to disturb him too much. So I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed day number 15. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Thanks for watching, you guys.